Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start by confirming prerequisites, valid ID, and a payment method that matches the country you claim. First, open your Google account and check the country/region under Personal Info so values align. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy and clear the browser cache and cookies to remove stale geodata. Sign out of YouTube and sign back in to force location refresh. Doing these steps ensures your account metadata and local connection are consistent before deeper fixes. Next, verify payment and device settings because YouTube checks multiple signals. You should edit your payment profile billing address to exactly match the declared country. Mismatches trigger the error. Then change device locale and Google Play country if applicable, plus set YouTube's region setting to the same country. If desktop checks fail, switch to cellular data or a local Wi-Fi network to confirm geolocation. This helps identify whether ISP routing is causing the verification failure. To finish, submit any requested verification documents through Google's prompts. A government ID and proof of billing usually suffice. After uploading, make sure you wait 24 to 48 hours for account and payment changes to propagate across services. If you still see we couldn't verify your country, take a screenshot of each mismatch, include timestamps, and contact Google support citing account country, billing profile, and device IP evidence. Escalate if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: test from a different ISP or mobile network to rule out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.